Hello, it's Masters Week, and I've got a sweepstake going with a few colleagues at work, and I wanted a way to look at the leaderboard for the tournament, just for the players who've been selected in this week. Looking at a full leaderboard online, it would be hard to pick out the right players and know who in our team has selected them. So what I did, I went to Power Query to retrieve the leaderboard live and refreshable from the web, and then create our own small leaderboard just with those players. So, first thing we need is a website with the leaderboard. So I'm using augusta.com. And we go to data from web. And then we get a little box asking us for the URL. Now this next step varies a bit depending on what the website's like. I chose this website because it's very cleanly set out and there's actually a table, a named table with the leaderboard. So that gives us everything we need. Pressing transform data will open the Power Query. And in here we get a view of the data as it is coming in raw. So what we can see is the top two rows are things we're not interested in. So I'm going to remove rows, remove top rows, and take out those top two. Now the next row has the column headers that we actually need. So I'm going to use first row as headers. That's it. That is now the data as we need it. So if I press close and load, it's going to insert a new sheet. I'm just going to cut this onto the other tab so we can see everything we need to in one place. So the only thing missing from this data is which team member has selected that player. So I'm going to add a column called team, and I'm going to use an XLOOKUP to look for the player name within the range of selected players. I want to return the team name, and if we don't find it, I just want a 0. So there we can see the full leaderboard with the names of the team members who have selected the players. So now all I want to do is filter it out. So I can filter here, but let's use a array function to do it for us. Equals filter. So my array is just the entire table, and my condition to include is where the team name is not 0. And that's it. The filter function brings in all the columns. We've got our new team name. It's only for the players we're interested in, and we can see that Alan and Nick are off to the best start after day 1. So this table is linked to the website. If I right click and refresh, it'll bring through the latest view. I'm recording this between round 1 and 2, so nothing will change at the moment. That's all today. Hope you enjoy the Masters if you're watching it, and have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you soon.